A little tour of the shop. This here is a CNC Masters mill. 20 inch by about 7 inches XY travel. NEMA 34 motors with ball screws. It works pretty good. It's like a baby Bridgeport. It works pretty damn good. And over to here, I have a little one. I rebuilt this one, and it works pretty good, but it's only small. It's got about 4 by 8 inch travel on the XY. And it doesn't cut aluminum too well. It cuts wood okay, but it's kind of light duty. So anyways, so then I built my Gatton. This is a Gatton CNC. And as you can see, it turned out pretty nice. I've test cut a few small jobs on it, and it seems to work pretty darn good. And I have a new router motor for it. Ryan Ballard suggested I get one of these, and it works pretty darn good. And anyway, so this is my Gatton, and okay, I'm running an Arduino Uno. I'm gonna go under here. I haven't completed the control box yet. I'm gonna put a fan on it, cover it up with a fan on it, and it's just wide open right now. Let the air in, and it keeps the drivers cool. They're DM40 542 drivers. They're pretty good. Running UGS. And it's right there. It's connected. So let's make a movement here. We're gonna go. We'll do we can. Let's see. Step size is. I'm gonna reduce that to a 1 inch, and that one to a 1 inch. All right. We're gonna do a 2-axis move. Yep. See. And our Z up. And it X negative. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. It's kind of hard here. Yeah, it works pretty good.